There is a major misconception about supplementation. You see, in this era of medication, people just assume they should notice a difference in how they feel within a few days to a week or two. However, nutritional medicine is totally different from allopathic or what we call traditional Western medicine. Nutritional supplements are simply nutrients the body uses in its normal enzymatic reactions. They are not medicines. They are nutrients we get from our foods, but because of supplementation, it now allows us to get them at optimal levels that you just can't get from your diet alone. Early in my practice of nutritional medicine, I would do sophisticated blood analysis that checked the levels of all the essential nutrients in the body. Now, this test cost my patients about $600 US. The idea would be to just supplement the nutrients in which my patients were deficient. However, I realized through my research of the medical literature that the problem was not a nutritional deficiency, but instead was oxidative stress. Therefore, I would primarily recommend my patients provide cellular nutrition to their body or all of these essential nutrients at their optimal levels. Over time, they would not only replenish any nutritional deficiencies, but also bring all of these essential nutrients up to their optimal levels. It was during this time that I realized that it would take a minimum of 6 months of supplementation to accomplish this goal. Therefore, it became evident that my patients needed to follow my nutritional supplement recommendations for a minimum of 6 months to know whether or not they were going to have a positive response or not. As I have already mentioned, since my approach to nutritional medicine was based on the fact that the problem is not a nutritional deficiency, but instead is oxidative stress, I found that I was simply recommending cellular nutrition to all my patients in spite of what the blood test showed me. I would add certain enhancers based on my patient's underlying health condition. Therefore, I stopped ordering the blood test to check for my patient's overall nutritional status because it was not only very expensive, but I knew if my patients would give my recommendations enough time, that they would bring up any deficiencies to their optimal levels within 6 months. Therefore, if my patients told me that they were just going to give my recommendations a month trial, I told them to not even start. If they were not willing to give my recommendations at least a 6 to 7 month trial, it was really not even worth it for them to start. This health concept has guided me very well in my medical practice. In order to optimize the body's natural immune system, its natural antioxidant defense system, and natural repair system, I needed to have my patients on their nutritional supplements a minimum of 6 to 7 months to know whether or not they were going to have a positive response. I also learned that even with my patients who were in good health and wanted to simply take nutritional supplements in order to become more proactive in protecting or maintaining their health, that they had to decide to take them for a lifetime. It is just part of a healthy lifestyle. So now I not only recommend a healthy diet and a modest exercise program to my patients, but also I want them taking high quality, complete and balanced nutritional supplements. This approach gives my patients the absolute best chance of maintaining their health or even possibly regaining control of their health if they've already lost it.